Working with 𝗣𝗲𝗏 has always been very easy for me. You buy a machine, plug it in, and it runs.
We want to have everything from one manufacturer, if possible. And because we now have labelers, machines, everything from one reseller, the communication works so well, we can achieve such packaging performance because all the machines can work with each other perfectly via the one control system.
So now we can control the entire line with just one person. They wanted to buy from us because they trust 𝗣𝗏𝗏. They trust our service and our speed of spare parts delivery.
If we have some problem with the machine, 𝗣𝗏𝗏 guys, they come in 1 hour in our company, and the problem is solved.
If I were to do this again today, I would only buy a line from a single source. Then you have one contact person, one person responsible, and you can avoid all that confusion.
In our next order, yes, I will choose 𝗣𝗏𝗏 again because I strongly believe in long-term relationship and I believe in these people.